Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential skill for any electrician, electrical box fill calculations. Proper box sizing is crucial for safety and code compliance. We're going to break down how to determine the right box size according to the NEC and avoid common mistakes. This video is brought to you by Positive Electricians, your go-to experts for electrical installations, repairs, and EV charger setups. Visit positiveelectricians.com for more info. So why are box fill calculations so important? According to NEC 314.16, an electrical box needs to have enough space to safely hold all the wiring, devices, and connections without overcrowding. Too much stuff in a box can lead to overheating, electrical shorts, and even fires. Here's how you determine the proper box size. First, you need to calculate the total box fill based on the number of conductors, devices, splices, and grounding conductors inside the box. The NEC provides a table in Article 314.16 that lists the box fill for various components. Each wire, device, and ground has a specific box fill allowance, which is measured in cubic inches. For example, a 14 AWG wire has a box fill of 2 cubic inches, and a single pole switch adds about 2 cubic inches to the total. Let's say you're installing a box with 2 14 AWG wires, a grounding wire, and a single pole switch. You would add up the box fill as follows. 2 14 AWG wires equal sign 4 cubic inches, 2 cubic inches per wire. Grounding wire equal sign 2 cubic inches. Single pole switch equal sign 2 cubic inches. That gives us a total of 8 cubic inches. Now make sure that your box has enough space to handle this total. After calculating the total box fill, it's time to check your box size. According to the NEC, you need to select a box with enough space to accommodate all the components. For our example, you choose a box rated for at least 8 cubic inches. It's always a good idea to choose a box with a little extra space to avoid overcrowding. Here are some things to keep in mind when doing your box fill calculations. 1. Different wire sizes, like 12 AWG versus 14 AWG, have different box fill allowances, so always refer to the correct table for the wire you're using. 1. Clamps inside the box, such as those used for securing conduit, add to the box fill as well. 1. Boxes with more than one device, like multiple outlets or switches, will require more space, so calculate accordingly. Once you've selected your box size, always make sure it's properly labeled with the correct ratings. Check that it meets the minimum requirements for volume and that it's rated for the components inside. This is critical to staying compliant with NEC 314.16. So that's how you calculate electrical box fill and choose the right box size. Following these NEC guidelines ensures your installations are safe and compliant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electrical tips and NEC breakdowns. Got questions about box fill or other NEC requirements? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. Need professional electrical services? Contact Positive Electricians at positiveelectricians.com or call us at 844-411-0240. We're here to power up your home and business.